Madrid stars, Real Madrid Football Club fans are here outside the Sentiago Bernabeu, the greatest stadium in the world, and they have been celebrating here, waiting for the match against Manchester City. And in fact, Real Madrid is great and of course a strong fan base. As in fact, this is just a number of the Madrid stars. This is just a number of the Madrid fans, Real Madrid fans, and they are waiting that match, the UEFA Champions League first leg match against Manchester City. Of course, the two giant teams in the world, the two best teams in the world are going to the pitch today, and everybody needs the positive result. Real Madrid, Sentiago Bernabeu. Sentiago Bernabeu is the home of the Real Madrid Football Club, and this is just a number of the supporters, number of the fans, and they have been celebrating here. They have been celebrating here, waiting for that match, and of course, it's going to be one among of the fantastic, close and impressive match. You just see the reaction of these fans. They have been reacting negatively, they have been reacting also positively, and the only thing that they want today is to make sure that they win this match. The only thing that they want today is to make sure that they punish effectively a Manchester City Football Club, and it's not going to be the easy game. It's going to be difficult due to the fact that both teams are strong, both teams have the quality